Whirlpool Self Cleaning Bottom Loading Commercial Water Cooler with LED Indicators. Self cleaning and bottom loading is the dream for any office or home stationed water cooler. This machine is the best water cooler because of its outstanding features and sleek design. It's also the best stainless steel Whirlpool water cooler, as well as this unit uses entirely stainless steel housing. The Whirlpool Self Cleaning Bottom Loading Commercial Water Cooler with LED Indicators has a complete nickel-plated stainless steel exterior. The entire water cooler is visually appealing and will match nicely with any kitchen or office environment, but the best feature of the Whirlpool Self Cleaning Bottom Loading Commercial Water Cooler with LED Indicators is the bottom loading technology. This unit uses a water siphon and pumps design. The pump is durable enough to last through years of hard use, and the water siphon ensures that you get every drop of water in that jug. The unit keeps hot water steaming and ready at all times, while its cold water passes over ice for a crisp chill. The water compressor only turns on when necessary, which helps extend the lifespan of this water cooler.